Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and welcome to my fall home tour. We're going to be taking a look around the farmhouse at all the things that I've used to decorate for fall. In addition, I've joined my friend Stacy at Bricks and Blooms, and she's going to be sharing her home decorated for fall as well. So I'll be giving you a link to that at the end. But I wanted to share with you that this year I have focused on decorating the farmhouse with sustainable and foraged items that I have gathered around the property. I've done a lot of DIY projects using materials that are free just for picking them up out of the yard. And so I hope you'll enjoy seeing some of those DIY projects, as well as other ways that I have made a budget-friendly fall decor here at the farmhouse. So if you like budget-friendly decorating and DIY ideas, you're in the right place, because that's what I'm all about. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so that you can not miss any of my decorating and DIY adventures. So if you're ready, we're going to get started on the tour. So let's get going. certainly hope you've enjoyed this tour of my farmhouse decorated for fall. I'm going to be sharing a sneak peek of Stacy at Bricks and Bloom's fall home tour. This is her beautiful farmhouse in New Jersey, and you can see all the details in the description.